Friday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain showers in the evening. Lows in the upper 40s. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. This is NOAA weather radio station KIH-27 in Tulsa. These broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Tulsa. Transmitting facilities are located in northeast Oklahoma and serve metropolitan Tulsa and surrounding areas. Significant severe weather event expected today. An outbreak of severe thunderstorms is expected across portions of eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas today. Residents across the region should monitor the latest forecasts and have as many ways as possible to receive warnings. Stay aware at night by turning on weather notifications and having a battery-powered NOAA weather radio. Watches and warnings will likely be issued later today. Here are some safety rules to keep in mind when severe weather is expected or is occurring. Before severe weather strikes, have a plan that includes an emergency meeting place. In a home or public building, have a pre-designated shelter, such as a basement or an interior room or hallway on the lowest floor with no windows. Have multiple ways to receive warnings and do not rely solely on outdoor warning sirens. Charge mobile phones and other electronic devices used to alert you and keep you weather aware. If a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning is issued, seek shelter indoors immediately. A severe thunderstorm is defined as producing quarter-size or greater hail and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or more. Tornadoes can form very rapidly from severe thunderstorms. If you are in a tornado watch and a severe thunderstorm warning is issued for your area, monitor local conditions closely and be ready to take quick action to save your life. Remember that lightning is a thunderstorm's most underrated killer. Postpone outdoor activities if thunderstorms are imminent. This is the best way to avoid being caught in a dangerous situation. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, or television for the latest on this developing severe weather event. Additional weather information, including related graphics, can be found at weather.gov/Tulsa. And now the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 5:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe weather expected this evening into tonight. This outlook is for northwest and west central Arkansas as well as much of eastern Oklahoma. For today and tonight. Tornado. Risk, elevated. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, after 6 p.m. northeast Oklahoma, after 9 p.m. southeast Oklahoma, after midnight northwest Arkansas. Severe thunderstorm. Risk, significant. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, after 6 p.m. northeast Oklahoma, after 9 p.m. southeast Oklahoma, after midnight northwest Arkansas. Area at greatest risk, along and south of Interstate 44 in eastern Oklahoma. Flash flood. Risk, elevated. Area, northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, this evening. Heavy rain. Risk, significant. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, this evening. Area at greatest risk, northeast Oklahoma. Significant winds. Risk, limited. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, ongoing. Fire weather danger. Risk, limited. Area, eastern Oklahoma. Onset, early afternoon. Discussion. Significant severe weather potentials continue to be likely this evening into tonight across eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas with all modes of severe weather forecast. Thunderstorms are expected to develop mid to late afternoon across western and central Oklahoma along a cold front and dry line and spread into eastern Oklahoma this evening and northwest Arkansas after midnight tonight. Instability and strong shear values along and ahead of the front will help storms to be more discreet at the onset with large hail, damaging wind and also a tornado threat possible. During the evening hours, storms are forecast to become more linear and transition to more of a damaging wind threat. However, strong low-level shear values will aid in continuing a tornado threat into the overnight hours, especially with the potential for quick spin-ups along the leading line. The greater potential for severe storms looks to be along and south of Interstate 44 this evening and across far eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas late evening into tonight. Precipitation should begin to taper off from west to east late tonight. Also with the thunderstorms will be the potential for periods of heavy rainfall as ample amounts of low-level moisture stream into the region ahead of the cold front. Heavy rain rates combined with the potential for training storms in northeast Oklahoma will allow for one to locally higher than 3 inches of rainfall to be possible though tonight. In response, an increasing flash flood potential is possible over northeast Oklahoma. Across southeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas, forecast rainfall amounts in the half-inch to locally over 1.5 inches are forecast through tonight. Spotter and Emergency Management Action Statement, activation of the Regional Spotter Network expected. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Monday, thunderstorm potential, high wind potential. Tuesday, severe thunderstorm potential, high wind potential. Wednesday, thunderstorm potential, high wind potential. Thursday, thunderstorm potential, heavy rain potential. Friday, thunderstorm potential, high wind potential. Saturday, no hazards. Extended discussion, showers and thunderstorms are forecast to be ongoing Monday morning across parts of far northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Precipitation should exit by late morning Monday as the low-pressure system lifts off to the northeast. Behind the cold front and storm system, breezy west to northwesterly winds will be possible, though should weaken during the afternoon as the low pushes further northeast. Additional shower and thunderstorm chances return Tuesday and Wednesday as a frontal boundary lifts back through the region and another low-pressure system moves out into the plains. Severe weather potentials will again be possible with a greater thunderstorm chances Tuesday night and Wednesday. Shower and thunderstorm chances continue Thursday and Friday before another cold front in the upper-level low pressure finally moves through and exit the region. Emergency Management Planning Statement, forecast updates should be closely monitored through the day as severe storm timing and locations are refined with latest data. Weather.gov/Tulsa contains additional information. Flash flood watch in effect from 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening through late tonight. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood watch for portions of east central Oklahoma and northeast Oklahoma, including the following counties: in east central Oklahoma, Okfuskee; in northeast Oklahoma, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Mays, Nowata, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Rogers, Tulsa, Wagoner, and Washington. From 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening through late tonight. Strong to severe thunderstorms will spread into northeast Oklahoma this evening with very heavy rainfall likely. Widespread 1 to 2 inch rainfall amounts are expected with locally 4 to 5 inches possible in the stronger storms. A few lingering storms will continue overnight, which could further aggravate any ongoing flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Repeating, highs in the upper 60s. Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. You're listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 1 p.m. weather observations. At Oklahoma City, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 80 degrees, the dew point 63, and the relative humidity 55%. The wind was south at 17 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.69 inches and falling. At Norman, it was cloudy. The temperature was 79. The wind was south at 17. Observations from around the region. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 83 at Lawton and 61 at Denver. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 80 at Tulsa and 86 at Dallas-Fort Worth. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 74 at Wichita and 57 at Amarillo. Once again at 1 p.m. at Oklahoma City, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 80. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight thunderstorms. There is a risk for severe thunderstorms late this afternoon and evening across all of the area except for northwestern Oklahoma. Initially, discrete storms are expected to develop in parts of southwest and central Oklahoma. Eventually, the storms are expected to develop into a line that moves east across portions of northern, central, and southern Oklahoma and North Texas. Large hail up to the size of baseballs, damaging wind gusts up to 80 miles an hour, and tornadoes are all possible. Damaging winds will become an increasing concern with the line of storms. The severe potential is expected to diminish towards or a little after midnight, although showers and storms will continue in some areas overnight. Flooding. There is a risk for flash flooding this evening into some of the overnight hours. The highest potential for heavy rain that could lead to flooding will be across central Oklahoma, including the Ogg Metro, up into northeast parts of the state. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Saturday, thunderstorms. Severe storms will be possible across much of Oklahoma and western North Texas Tuesday into early Wednesday. All modes of severe weather are possible, particularly in northwestern Oklahoma. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be needed late this afternoon and evening, and again late Tuesday. Flood watch in effect from 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening through late tonight. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flood watch for portions of central Oklahoma and northern Oklahoma, including the following areas in central Oklahoma: Cleveland, Lincoln, Logan, Oklahoma, Payne, and Pottawatomie. In northern Oklahoma, Noble. From 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening through late tonight. High rain totals from strong and severe thunderstorms expected. Rain totals of 2 to 4 inches in a short amount of time may lead to flash flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should